Hey y'all, so it is actually the next morning. I left this Bodyworks split in repair mask almond marshmallow in my hair overnight. One, because I haven't had a deep conditioner in my hair in about a month and a half, so my hair was desperately in need of some extra, moisture and strength and whatnot. That's one. And two, because I just didn't feel like can I just be honest with my viewers? Let me just be honest. I didn't feel like taking it out last night. It got late. I was hungry. So I'm just gonna be real. That was part two. So I'm gonna take it out this morning, or I'm gonna rinse it out this morning, and then we'll see how well my hair took to this deep conditioner. Before I go rinse it out, I'm gonna do a little review on these two products. I have the leave-in. I haven't used the leave-in yet. Obviously I'll use it after I rinse out the deep conditioner, but all in all, I don't know if it's because the clay that I used, that Moroccan clay that I had, by the way, I'm gonna insert some pictures of my hair after I rinse that out. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Excuse me. I'm gonna insert some pictures. Look at these curls. Look, Poppington. Love it. I love when I do a clay mask and my hair actually cooperates with it. And I haven't had an issue with clay masks anyways, but it just feels good to see the curls just react to all of that. The shampoo, the cannabis stevia hemp seed oil Lush length shampoo with ginseng root and horsetail extract. Let me tell you, a little goes a long way, by the way. Giving me like lemon lime vibe, Sprite soda vibes. That's what I'm smelling. And the consistency is a little runny, as you can see, just a little, but it still worked perfect. The shampoo, not shampoo, I just did that one. The conditioner smells the same. Consistency is a little bit thicker. It's really thick. Like really, it ain't going nowhere. Oh, I was all the way up here. Jesus, it ain't going nowhere. I promise y'all, this joint ain't going nowhere. But it did feel good in my hair. I was able to detangle with it using my Denman brush. I did detangle with it pretty fine, no issues at all. But yeah, those are those two products. So now I'm about to go rinse this out, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get to this styling. I just want to take a minute to point out this Royal Bonnet Batman flavor, because that's my favorite superhero. If you don't already know, now you know. This Batman flavor with interior yellow satin. So this is a velvet on satin. Website will be out Friday. This is what it feels good. I have my plastic bag on last night, and then I put the cap over it, but that's like the inside of it, and then this is the outside, obviously, right? But yeah, I just put it on a little bit more insulated, but it wasn't hot. It wasn't hot, so it just kept everything together. You feel me? Alright, so this is not an overnight deep conditioner, because when I rinsed it out, my hair felt dry. I believe this is an amazing conditioner, because Eden usually, because their jojoba mask or deep conditioner, my hair just loved it. So this one says, after shampooing, massage to hair, work down shaft to ends, cover with cat, leave in hair for 40 minutes. I think you should leave it in for 40 minutes, not overnight. For deeper absorption inside the cuticle, add heat. So like a hot head or one of them things. Help me out. Those over your head or a hot head. Yeah, but no, don't leave overnight. This ain't the one you do it with. Maybe your hair will take to that, but mine didn't. It felt a little dry when I rinsed it out, like nothing penetrated my hair. So 40 minutes, that's it. Because I don't want to get it to bad reps. I love eating. So I'm going to try this again another day for 40 minutes. Okay? Alright. Alright. Can you say hot mess? Okay. Lush leave-in, and then I went in. My aunt bought these for me actually, the Creme Brûlée and the Pure HD. So the Kera Vada. This is what I'm using for my twist out. I'm gonna do a twist out today. I was gonna do wash and go, but I think I'm gonna do a twist out. So the Creme Brûlée is moisturizing hair butter, and the Pure HD is high definition gel for curls. Nice hold without the crunch, you feel me? Great for natural styles, including roller sets, perm rod sets, wash and go, pH balanced, not to dry out your hair. That's the gel. And then the moisturizer, with anti-dryness, okay. Moisturize for 3 days. No oily residue, prevents frizz, even in harsh weather. Anti-breakage. I feel you. Alright, so this is what I use on this half. So pretty much what you do on one side, you do on the other. So that's what I'm going to do. I used my spray bottle to dampen my hair a little bit more because it was getting a little on the dry side. Let me see. Let me tell you the smell. It smells good to me. I'm not big on like pastry smells because it smells like a pastry dish. Some type of cookie, vanilla type cake, not pancake. That would have smelled like, but it's not a overbearing smell where it makes your stomach hurt. It's a subtle, but I like it. I'm usually not fond, and this is the same. It smells the same. this is what we looking like. I'll give it about an hour and a half, hour 45 to dry. Make sure when you're doing styles, ladies, gentlemen as well, for African American hair, you want it to be fully dry before you unravel. You know what I'm saying? Because then you'll have a lot of frizz, and then your curl pattern won't be as tight. It'll be very poofy. So make sure your hair is fully dried. Fully dried. However long that may take. Hopefully it doesn't take 500 billion gazillion years to dry, and it just takes a couple hours. That's still 500 billion years in dog years. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back to you in a few. Boom. Right, ready to unravel and reveal what this twist out using a Vada products did for my hair. I did like wardrobe change like 5 times, whatever. Who's counting? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? So I'm going to finish unraveling it and fluff it up, and then we're going to see how it looks, because it already looks fabulous. It already looks, the curls are just, I love when stuff just turns out exactly how I want it. So be back, give me a second. All right, y'all, I don't ever leave my hair down like that. I don't know, it's because it's not at the length that I actually want it to be at, so it looks weird down. I always like put it in like a really high bun like this, because I just think it looks fly up like this. But that's just me. I like it like this. So, but I love the results. Like, you see this? You see this? Oh, got it in my eye. But yes, first off, before I even, well, when I was unraveling my hair, I just knew it was going to be nice. I knew it was going to be nice because the way my curls sat once I unraveled, it wasn't like poofy. So I wait till your hair is dry before you take your hair out, please. Look at it. I love it. Hold on. Let me get a thumbnail. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for some new videos by Eboni Rootz, by your girl Jasmine. If you didn't know, now you know. Also, I'll put a link to my website in the description box below for anybody who's interested in purchasing a Royal Bonnet. They're high quality, they're great, good for sleeping in. They don't fall off when you go to sleep. Perfect. So it feels good. You feel like royalty in the Royal Bonnet, so why not just purchase one? You already royalty, so now let's get the package to go with it, you feel me? Alright, so yeah, thank you again. I love y'all. Thank y'all for y'all support. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.